Today, we're excited to introduce you to the adjustable kitchen drawer organizer, a game changer for your kitchen organization needs. Crafted from 100% sustainable bamboo, this food-safe, contract-grade organizer is not only beautiful but also incredibly durable, featuring dovetail corner joints and a solid bamboo bottom panel for maximum strength. It expands from 19 to an impressive 33 inches wide, allowing you to maximize your drawer's storage capacity like never before. And with up to 9 customizable compartments, you can create the perfect configuration for your utensils, cutlery, and kitchen gadgets. The natural bamboo finish adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen, while the anti-slip rubber pads ensure it stays securely in place. Unlike other organizers that only expand to 22 or 23 inches, this one offers unparalleled flexibility and storage potential, making it ideal for extra-wide kitchen drawers. Experience innovation and quality at its finest with KitchenEdge, where every organizer is crafted with ultra-premium specifications for a consistent look and feel across your kitchen. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.